Hello. So, guys, how are you doing today? Sorry, I was. This is the first time going live on YouTube, so I was testing the system how it goes. So, as I mentioned, if you have any questions, feel free to join the live YouTube, or it's better if you comment in the group, then I will respond to your question from there. Uh, till I start receiving your questions, I will go through some stocks. Here is Twitter. Twitter, this one we traded it like a few weeks ago. Uh, it seems it seems to me like going to fly somewhere, maybe to the moon, maybe to the space. I don't know, but it's going somewhere. All what we need is to confirm that it is going to break this 40 $75 price, or at least it pulled back to around 60. If it pulled back to 60, I definitely will buy. I will buy from there. But at the moment, no, not yet. I will just wait and watch. Uh, Let me, if I'm going to do it like a day trade. So let me try to fix this. Okay, now it's good. So today it went from 72 to 75, then it's falling back. Okay. Yeah, as I said, I would rather to just watch at the moment. Let me check the group. Yeah. Um, this morning someone Joe this morning asked about Epon. Epon. This is kind of an interesting stock. Unfortunately, it does not have a clear history. It doesn't say that if it's going more up or down. All what I see that it has some kind of support around $10, but it's not that very strong. It can fail. Yeah. On the week chart, yes. I mean, there's no big history. It's just started around June. So there's no much to see from the chart. It had a good news related to crypto. Everyone knows that crypto has been on fire a few weeks, or maybe like in the new year. So it went up to 12, and then it's kind of like creating this wave, cooling down. It can go more than that. I mean, it can more go higher than this price, but it's all about like how people will trust this new company. I myself, I will not trade it at the moment, although the chart seems to be like bullish, but I would rather to wait till it's like break around 10 or below, like goes like 10, maybe 9 point something, or it break above 14. But at the moment, I'm just waiting. If I decide to go in now, I will choose like a very small um, risk, kind of like stop loss around 11, not less than 11. That's my thought. It's all up to you guys. You can decide whatever you want. All right. Let me see how. So I've been busy this morning looking at the YouTube and how it can be live streamed. Um, Maybe after a week or so, I will do this live stream to be kind of a private for the group only, but for you guys, for other people to know about the channel and the Telegram group, I'm just doing it for public for the next week. It will not be like daily though, but I will do my best. So let me go back about the things that we alerted this morning. JUF. This one. Or maybe JFU. Yeah. Yeah. We alerted this thing here yesterday, and it went up all the way to around 3.5, then pulled back, then it seems to be like still going up. Is it possible to go above 6? Above 5? Yeah, it's possible. It's there is some kind of resistance here. It's not very strong. I expect it to go back to 2.5 maybe, then it will go up again. This stock has a faith restrictions on it, so it's up to you if you want to decide to go for it or not. PLTR. Yeah, this is a new company as well. We alerted it or yesterday when it was 26. It was at 26 yesterday pre-market, something here around this time. Then it went all the way down here, then it's going up again. I expect it to go around 30, maybe today, maybe during the after hours or something like this. It can go more than that, but you know, I don't think it's like going like in one day all the way to the 34 or more, but it is on the track. Yeah, if I am in at the moment, I will put my I did not buy this, by the way, but if I did yesterday when it was 26, at the moment I will place my stop loss at 26 or a little bit higher. I think it's still early to start collecting what they call the profits. Sava. Everyone's been interested in Sava, but I don't yet. Yeah. I would prefer to wait and watch. Yeah. It's kind of having a nice chart on the daily chart, but there is possibility for it to go down to 44. It's possible to go more than 6, maybe 80, maybe 70, something like this. But you know, if I want to be safe at the moment, I will put my my stop loss around 49 just to be safe. We traded this like a few days ago, or maybe 2 or 3 days ago. It did well. It was this one. It was on February 16th. I bought at 52. It went all the way up to 59. Then it's going back again. Yeah, but definitely, I think it's going to do it again. At least 60, 65. If it's past 67, then it can fly. Can you check TRCH? Sure. TRCH. Rolling back. Yeah, it's time for it to go back. Maybe till 2.1. Yeah, will definitely hold back. So it has support at 2.3. 2.3. Yeah. At the moment, it's trying to create a support here, but I don't think that it will happen. It will go to 2.1, maybe 2.2. If we're lucky enough, it will not drop to 1.5. Yeah, so this is the trend line. It broke right here and it's going all the way down to 2.3. Not not time to buy it yet. That's what I think. If I am in it, if I am losing a lot, I will just put my bags on a side and watch it. I will average down if it drops below 2.5. Otherwise, I will just be watching. What are your thoughts on SPR? Okay, let me check the faith restriction on this part of it first. TRCH. TRCH. Yeah, it's a green. It's safe. The other guy, Andy, NSPR. NSPR. Since we are close to phone, let me check the faith restrictions. NSPR. If you don't know what I mean by faith restrictions, just we're going. So NSPR, there is a faith restriction on NSPR. If you don't know what I mean by that and you want to know, just shoot me a question in the chat room or private message. NSPR, $1. $1. Let me check for day trade. Days. Oh, wow. Imagine if it could go back to the initial price, $135,000. I will be living alone on the moon. Uptrending, generally uptrending. If it break above 1.4, let's say no, it's maybe 1.3 to 1.4. If it hold in that level, then definitely we'll see a huge jump after 1.4. Yeah, but at the moment there is so the area between 1.4 and all the way to 0.8, this is kind of like a resistance and support area. So the stock it doesn't know yet if it's going to go up or down. Like people kind of like making a balance between buyer and seller. So everyone is scared of like holding or selling. So it's kind of like it might take few days in this area then before it decide if it's going to drop down or going up. There is a faith restriction on this guy. If there is not, I will definitely buy. No problem, Andy. It's all yours. Whatever you want to ask, just shoot me a question. RMD, you're asking AAU. AAU. So the other day, guys, you did not like the Zoom meeting. I don't have too many people on the Zoom, but hopefully on YouTube will be better. So AAU. Let me check the faith restriction. green. Everyone can trade it. Let me look at the chart. So on 10 minutes it's down trading. On 1 hour sideways. 1 day. You go to 1 minute. It's not the stock that you want to do it on day trade because of the low volume. So if you see here, if you see these like these gaps between candles, this is not the preferable for me. It's not my best stock to do it on daily base or day trade. But if you want to do it on a daily, like as a swing or something like this, let me check. Look at this guy. Okay, so on a daily base or as a swing, I will wait. I will wait until it break above 1, maybe 1.1, 1.2 or something like this, or it go back to around $0.4. It's not time for me to buy the AU yet. Atiya. Oh, Andy first. Mr. Stock, sorry to bother you. Could you check OPLG? OPLG. No problem, MD. No problem. Okay, OPLG. You bringing nice stocks, Andy. Let me check it. Yeah, definitely we will go for the $1 million soon. Together. OPLG. Faith restriction on this one, it's red. So again, if you want to know what I mean by faith restriction, shoot me a question in the chat room and I will answer you there. Okay, not this one. Okay, it would take time before it go to the 20. It is going there, but it will take time. So this is a weekly chart. Look at this amazing thing here. Yeah, it's uptrending. It is going to head the $20. So it is okay. Here's the thing. If it break above $6, then it's very possible that it will go to 20. It will take time though. It will take time. It might take weeks to be there, or maybe 2 or 3 months. If it broke below 4, then we will buy it below $1. We will buy it around $0.6 or 0.5 or maybe 0.9, but it will definitely will go below 1. WWR look like to a pie. What do you think? WWR. Weekly. Okay. So this guy here, the faith restriction, I think it's a green. I think it's there is no faith restriction. Here we are. Yeah, it's a green. I remember that I traded it like a few weeks ago, or yeah, when it was in this green here. I stuck in it though. I stuck in it, but then I sold the green when I was in this high again. So at the moment, what I see here, this is a weekly. Let me see the daily. All right. So see, look at this trend line, guy. Look at this one. All right, and this one. I'm trying to figure out the trend. Okay. Here it is. I think it's a buy. Yeah, it is. It definitely will go to around 10, probably 12. If it broke more than that, we will see new highs. Yeah, you're right, Atiyah. That's what I think too. But just a reminder, it's all your decision. I'm not saying that you need to buy it or anything. If I mention anything, it doesn't mean that I am saying that go and buy it. You are the only one who can decide, because you are the only one who knows what fits your needs. What I think it's a buy now, it can go up to 10. If I jump and I will put the stop loss around 7.2 at this corner here. Yeah, and then it's all up to you. You want to go and decide if you want to do it or not. You need to put your risk management system, your own things there. TRVG. So for people who doesn't know who am I, we have a public stock alert group on Telegram. Feel free to join. This is the link here. It's a free stock alert. This is the ID. Just search it on Telegram. It will pop up. Then you're welcome to join. TRVG. There's no charge on this service. It's a free. We are just trying to help each other at the moment. We're trying to help each other to make something useful for everyone. TRVG. Okay. I will be watching. I will be watching at the moment. Andy, the faith restriction on this one. TRVG. It's red. There is a faith restriction on this guy. So if you want to know what that means, shoot me a question in the chat room and I will respond later. So it seems to be like uptrending here, but I'm checking now if there is any resistance at there. TRVG. It seems like there is some kind of resistance there. If it broke above 4, then yeah, there is kind of resistance here, but it's not very strong. It can fly, it can go, it can do it. It can go at least to 5 or maybe a little bit higher, but it's not buy at the moment. That's what I'm thinking. It's not yet to buy it. I would prefer to wait. Okay. I want to see it around 4, like maybe 3.9 or something before I go ahead and buy it. Okay, so the red is support. It just like broke above this support. Yeah, it's just broke above this support. If it went above 3.9, definitely we will see something interesting about it. Like from 3.9 to 4.1, then it will fly at least 5. Then from there is no walls. What I mean by no walls, that means it can go higher or drops back. Yeah, this is the 5 here. All right. So let me see. Yeah, this is the one. I think it's not buy yet. If it went above 4, it will fly. If it went below 3.4, we will see it around 2.52. Joe was asking about ATIF. 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 Okay, let me check the faith restrictions here. It's here. Can't find it. Here it is. So I'll be live for the next 5 minutes, then I will turn the live off, and we'll see what if there is any more questions. I might respond directly to the chat room. Atif, it's green. There is no faith restriction on this guy. Okay, let me see here. This is the daily. It's broke above. It's broke above the channel. Will it go more? Possibly. I myself will not buy before 2. It can go to 2, but it's not like it's not guaranteed that it will reach 2. But if you want to buy, or if I decided to buy it too, at the moment looking for 2, I will apply my stop loss around 1.4. I will buy 1.6, and I will risk this 20 cents. Then I will be watching. Yeah, it seems like going more up, but whenever you see something like, let me see how many days it was green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It had like 5 days in a row in a green, and it's forming kind of like a bearish candle now. So it's possible that it will stop somewhere around 0.15 and 1.6. Then we might see tomorrow a red candle going back to 1.4 to 1.5. And from there, I will decide. Again, you are the only one who knows that what fits you. If you decide to go for it, choose your own stop loss. LMPX, this is going to be the last thing for our live today. I haven't had to look at my screener today because I spent more time figuring out how to live tube. LMPX. LMPX. So this guy has no good history, so it's not easy to figure out the trend, the general trend for it. I'm trying to find out something like, yeah, maybe this trend line here, maybe this guy here, and this guy. If it broke below 20, we will see the $10. If it held in this level, it's possible to go 30. So the area between 22 and 30 is kind of like a wave areas going to go up and down, up and down. We're not sure exactly um, if it's going to make the 30 very quick or not. But if it broke above 30, we will see good numbers. If you are between 22 and 30, you might wait longer time if it broke above 30. So for now, if you buy now, hoping to get 30, it might take like a few days or maybe a week or something to get 30. But if you wait until go above 30 and you buy, you will see the 40 and 45 and 50 in a very shorter time. Andy, what is the faith restriction? I will respond to this question in the chat room. So, well, I did not check the faith restriction on this guy. Let me see. It's a green. There is no faith restriction on this guy. So thank you for being with me in the live. If you have a friend, feel free to share the link with them. We have this group, Stock Alerts, for free. It's a channel where we share thoughts with the subscriber. It's been just a week for now. If you're interested, join us. We have this chat room associated with it. Feel free to go to the chat, jump in, type your thought, ask questions. Feel free. We are building a new community. We're trying to do something beneficial for everyone. It's free. Just share us your thought about any stock that you are interested in. If you want to share, if you want to ask about anything, we have people here. They can analyze and look at whatever you want. They will respond. They're friendly, awesome guys. So stock free alerts or free stock alerts. See you on Telegram. Thank you so much. No problem, RMD. Let me turn this off. Goodbye.